everybody, welcome to Tips from Stella and our full step workout. Just continue giving me those high knee marches so that we warm up our bodies, preparing the heart and the muscles for this workout. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that every time I upload new videos you receive notifications. If you're returning, I'm very happy to have you. I believe a stepper is one of those must-have home gym equipment. I got mine off Amazon. If you would like, I will leave the links in the description box below. And we are going to be doing cardio and strength training during this workout. Just continue giving me those matches, and next we are going to begin with the basic step. So you will come up and down, up and down. For 45 seconds of this, up and down, up and down. Keep breathing. Pull those abs towards the spine so that we keep them engaged throughout the whole time. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. We are going to move on to the step with a side leg kick. So you're going to come up, kick, kick, down, up, kick, kick, down, up, kick, kick, down. Yeah, up, kick, kick, down, up, kick, and down. Keep going, keep breathing, feeling good about yourself, loving yourself, and doing this most importantly because you do love yourself. Down, kick, kick, and down, kick, kick, and down. Keep going, kick and down. Just give me one more. Kick and down. Moving on to heel tap. So you will come, tap, back, come, tap, back, come, tap, back, come, tap, and back, up, tap, and back, up, tap, and back. Keep breathing. Up, tap, and back, up, tap, and back, up, tap, and back, 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 tap, and back. Just give me one more. Tap and back, and match, 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 and back to the basic step. And down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Try to change your leg, the leg that comes on top, every time you get up and down, 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 up and down. Keep breathing. Up and down. Tummy towards the spine, and down, up and down. Yeah, try to balance the legs, guys. Whichever comes first, alternate with another. And down, up and down, up and down, and down, and down, and down, and down. And next we are going to move on to a step and a squat. So 1, 2, squat and back. 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 Squat and back. Squat and back. Squat and back. Keep going. Squat and back. Squat and back. Squat and back. Squat and back. Just give me one more. Squat and back, and match, match. We're heading on to high knees, corner to corner high knees. So you will come up, down, come up, lift your knee, back down, come up, lift, down, come up, lift, down, up, lift, down, up, lift, down, keep going, up, lift, down, up, lift, and down, up, lift, down, up, lift, and down. Yeah, up, lift, down, up, lift, and down. One more, up, lift, and down, and march, 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 and back. To the step, to the step. Up and down. Going. Whenever we get the basic step, you get to relax, to catch your breather, and to gather more strength, to keep going. And march, 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 march. And next, up, kick, and back. Up, kick, and back. Up, kick, and back. Up, kick, and back. Yeah, up, back kick, and back. Up, back kick, and back. Up, 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 yeah, kick, and back. Up, kick, and back. And march, march. Next we are going to add on arms. So you will go up, push, and kick. Up, push, kick. Up, push, kick. Keep going. Up, push, and back. Up, push, and back. Yeah, up, push, kick, back. Push, back. We shall be moving on to the basic step again. Just give me one more. And push and down, up 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 and down. Try to alternate and down the legs, up and down. Yeah, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Keep going. And down and down and down and down and down. And march. Moving on to the side. So we are going to move over the top to the other side and tap our knees. Beginning right now. Get going and tap and tap and tap and tap and tap and tap. Going, feeling good about yourself. Tap and tap, tap and tap, tap. Just give me one more. And tap and back, 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 back. Next, we are going to move into 3 times high knees. So you're going to come 1, 2, 3, and down, and 1, 2, 3, and down, and 2, 3, and down. Yeah, 1, 2, one more. 1, 2, 3, down, and match, 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 match. So we are going to match 1, 2, 3, 4 down, 1, 2, 3, 4 up, 1, 2, 3, 4 down, up, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, keep going, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know about you, but I'm already sweating. Keep going. And we are going to be moving on to the lunge. So just get down, keep marching, catch your breath, and we shall begin straight away. You will come 1, 2, lunge, back, lunge, and back, and 1, 2, 1, 2, lunge, and back, lunge, and back, and 1, 2, 1, 2, lunge, and back, lunge, and back, and 1, 2, 1, 2, lunge, and back, lunge, and back. Keep going, 1, 2. Back, lunge, and back, 1, 2, 1, 2, lunge, and back, lunge, and back. Just give me one more, 1, 2, lunge, and back, and lunge, and back. And next you want to get into the lunge, and we are going to be holding it right there. We are going to be holding it right there for 30 seconds. So just hold it right there, feeling that burn, guys. Keep lunging, pulling in your abs towards the spine. Just continue lunging over there, and we shall be changing positions in just about now. The other leg, just hold it right there, feeling a good stretch as well. Just continue lunging. We are lunging for 30 seconds. Keep going, and after this we are going to move into the basic step. Just once again, just keep holding this right there. Yeah, I feel the burning over there as well as the strengthening. Keep going, keep holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back, and the basic step, back and back, up and down. Yeah, up and down, and down, and down, and down, and down. Keep going. This is a really free workout. Go at your pace, go for as much as you can, and we are going to be turning our step up over here, and we are going to begin with first steps. So we shall be coming up and down, up and down. 45 seconds of this, guys, increasing our speed, increasing our heart rate, up and down, up, down, up, down, going. And relax it out. Come up and down, up and down. Keep going. We are going to be moving onto skiing, guys. Still another fast move. So catch that breath, gather yourself together, and we are going to be beginning in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you will come and, you know, as if you are skiing. We are doing 45 seconds of this, guys, or as long as you can go, guys, or follow your body. Just keep skiing, burning those calories, feeling that heart rate up, guys. Keep going. You're doing amazing. Don't give up. Don't give in. Keep going. You're doing great. heart rate, and we want to get back to the basic step, but slowly really catching our breath and coming to the end of our workout as well. And we are going to end up with some stretching. Whew. Just catch your breath, guys, and down, up, and down, up, and down, and down. Whew. I'm sweating. It's all over the place, guys. But bring your heart rate down. Just slow, basic steps. Try to alternate legs that make it fast to the stepper. And next we want to be stretching it out, guys, so we shall begin with those hamstrings, and we are going to be holding this for 20 seconds. Just stretch it out, feeling that gentle stretch in your legs. They've done an amazing job today, and keep holding right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the other leg. Ooh. Keep holding, keep stretching. While pulling in your abs towards the spine, and we shall keep stretching that for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, you want to stretch out the quads as well, so just hold it right there. We are stretching for 20 seconds per side. Ooh, feeling that gentle stretch and cooling down as well, and keep holding that right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the other side. Keep holding it right there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get up. You want to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the end of our workout. A high five if you made it this far. Thank you very much for joining me. And well, that is just about it for today. I'm sweating, guys. How are you feeling? I hope you are feeling great. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share a lot of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family over here, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that every time I upload a new video, you receive notifications. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first. Bye-bye.